Hi everyone, today we're gonna do a makeup tutorial. From start to finish, we're gonna do some eyebrows, some eyeshadow color, some lipstick, lip liner, eyeliner, mascara, primer, highlighter, and also some SPF 1530 moisturizer. I tend to have oily skin, so it looks a little bit different to put on finishing powder also, along with face powder because of my oily skin, and I reapply at least twice. Makeup. This powder is actually Bronze 4 from Mary Kay. Today has been really crazy. Couldn't find my big brush to do this tutorial, but I have different size brushes and I'm gonna work with what I have. This one focused on areas that was already had on the concealer. Now I was telling you, make sure you use natural light. Natural light works so well. Oh no, I've been trying to get natural light, but every time I'm trying to get this makeup done, it's always dark and rainy. And I'm like, oh my goodness. Is there any day it does not rain? That would be awesome. But it looks like it tends to rain a lot. So now that I did the areas that had on the concealer, I'm going to go ahead and use a bigger brush to do the rest of my face as far as the powder goes. I like to use a mineral powder foundation because it actually helps to give a nice coverage and it doesn't break out my skin like other products I've used in the past. Not to say the ones you buy from the store isn't good. They're just as good, but it just doesn't work for my skin. And since I started using the different foundation and skincare from Mary Kay, I stuck with it because it seems to be the best thing that was working at the moment, and I have less breakouts. And when I mean less breakouts, I tried Olay, I've tried Suave, so much over-the-counter stuff, and I finally decided to get something that's a little bit more on the pricier side, depending on what kind of budget you have, because that is what works so much better. So as you can see, it's coming together nicely, and that is really awesome. Because I don't see too many people my skin complexion doing makeup online, and I'm like, why not? I'm gonna just put on a something here, even my eyebrows. I have very thin eyebrows. So sometimes I have to put a little extra oomph in my eyebrows. Using this extra mirror because it is way too hard to see the eyebrows on the upper one. And here I can see it a little bit better, so I have to bring out my other one. Let me use my other layer one so I can see a little bit better. This is a lower one that I have with the brush. can see. Going in the eyeliner from one side to the next. This is a real light color. This will be my finishing powder. Let's get everything. This is the finishing powder. What I will be doing is getting a new I got a little bit here. I'm using this smaller one so I can see a lot better. And then the finishing product, use the face on the light. And y'all can see here. Try to go back a little bit so you can see. Okay. So got that down packed so far. Yes. A little bit more color in my face. And this thing that zaps it out when you put on your finishing powder. Because the finishing powder, you don't want it too dark. You want it a little lighter. I'm just adding in some color. I wanted to switch it around. Switching around, I did. Now the fun part, then we get a lot more closer to the end. Yeah, since it's a little powder going on there. Not what I'm gonna wear, so it's okay. This is actually make me see exactly how I'm doing it. I'm just like showing you guys step by step as far as what I put on. So I'm gonna see about doing purple. Nah, I think I'm gonna do a little lighter color because you don't want to have too much going on with the one color and you don't have enough of the next. So this one will go underneath my eye. I wanted too close to the other one that I had there. Okay. And I also have one that goes way over here in the corner. Just gotta add that second layer so you can actually see it. Then I'm gonna go ahead and do a darker color. Trying to find at least two or three so you can actually get in. I like to do right the corners of my eye. Give it a little bit more definition. It's not a smoky eye, it's just the regular indentation before the lip crease you have here. Since I'm playing with brown against brown, it gives a nice light bronze color. Okay, then when you want to go ahead and add the color, I'm gonna go with purple. Up and down. And you see we have the purple. Up and down. Okay, add a little bit more purple because this one for some reason the up and down method isn't working, so I had to add a little bit more to one side versus this side. So now we have the light purple, we have the brown going in the corners. Just gotta move around some stuff here. My favorite part, my mascara. I tend to use Wet n Wild Mega Protein. I have actually to honestly say this has increased my lashes without having to wear fake eyelashes. So that's a plus. You can stand the ones you already have. It is pretty awesome. Lovely mascara. Mascara makes your eyes pop so nice. Without putting on the fake lashes, I would never batch face lashes because they look pretty nice once you know how to put them in. Now I'll go ahead and do the bottom. And then the next side. I poured a little bit too much, so I'm going to just take a napkin and go right underneath. As you can see, all the times it works out the way you want it to. But that's a constant thing for me. When I try to do the mascara below, it doesn't want to work the same way. And it makes it a little bit more difficult. But I come back and I come back strong and make it work and make it happen. Because that's what you want to do. Make sure you're on point and it looks good. Now we're going in with some lip liner. Love to do the corners and not just the whole mouth because my lip itself already has this natural black color right along there, so I don't really put the liner all over my lip, just the corners. And what I have here is my Mary Kay. As you can see, I already opened it. My Mary Kay pink shimmer. It looks like as if the pink shimmer is no longer available in Mary Kay, so you have to use a lighter shade pink or a store-bought makeup as far as lipstick. Adding on my lipstick. Because sometimes I do it just in the center. And I want it all over. So many different products. Takes some time, but eventually you get it and then you move forward. And then I put on my lipstick. Actually, my lip gloss, because the lipstick is already nice. It's a plain gloss just to make it look a little bit more shinier. Bring it a little closer so you can actually see. The lipstick, the lip powder, the browns, the eyes. And that's it. Thank you guys. Bye-bye.